Hi, my name's Matt, and I'm with RV Country. Today, I want to talk to you about your generator and servicing your generator. So it's important to make sure that you service your generator regularly. What the service is going to entail is changing the oil, changing the air filter, changing the spark plugs, and then obviously we need to go through it and make sure that your generator is, first of all, safe and functioning correctly. Servicing your generator is very important to the functionality of your generator and to make sure that it's working when you need it to work. But it's also important to understand when it needs to be serviced. So if your generator is new and has 50 or less hours, then what we're going to do is a break-in oil change and service at the 50-hour mark. If we're past that initial 50 hours, your normal service intervals will be 100 hours to every 150 hours. It's also important to know that your generator should be turned on and ran for 15 to 20 minutes at least once a month. This is because a carburetor on these generators is a very expensive repair. And just running the generator 15 to 20 minutes will keep the varnish out of there and keep us from having to replace that for you. It's important to the functionality of your generator to check your oil before every single use. We're checking the level to make sure that it's in the right mark. It's important to remember that after checking your generator, that you reinstall the door before turning it on. Otherwise, this could result in an overheating issue with your generator. If your RV is equipped with a generator, remember that is your backup power source. We want to make sure that that generator is in top notch and working when we need it to work. If you have any questions about your generator or you'd like to get it serviced, give us a call and we'll get you in and scheduled.